What's up, guys? This is Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. In this video, I'm going to offer my coaching and mentorship to a few people starting 2021, January 4th. So if you're interested in becoming a software CEO, go ahead and watch this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I'd love to work with you in 2021. Want to jump on here and throw out this offer for you guys. If you're interested in getting a year-end kind of tax deductible offer, what it's going to be is I'm going to do a 6-week kind of coaching program starting on January 4th. And basically we'll meet every Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 6 weeks. And I'm going to give you access to some software. You'll actually have 25 accounts of Genius Messenger CRM. We'll get you listed on our authorized partners page here. And you'll be able to actually resell this software for all of 2021. And we'll have a renewal option as well if you want to stay on as a partner. All you need to sign up for this is a business banking account. So you can either already have an existing one, or you can go ahead and get one created. But basically it's going to be a program where I help you kind of get started or take your current situation to the next level. So you can be an existing kind of software reseller. If you're struggling with that, this program would help you. Or you could be brand new, no experience previously. And I'll show you kind of what I've been doing with software over this last year. So basically I joined a couple different software partnerships. And over the last year, I've found some ways that work and some ways that could be improved. So I'll pretty much shorten the learning curve for you and show you how to get some passive income coming in from software. So the reason I like software is I was in real estate and I liked real estate for the cash flow. So we would buy single family homes, put a tenant in there, and hopefully we would be cash flowing $300 or $400 per month. The only thing with that is it costs a lot of money up front to buy a property. So it's probably 20% down at the minimum. Sometimes you can get better terms than that. But say you're going to buy a $100,000 house, you would need a $20,000 down payment to get that property. Now there's ways to kind of accelerate that growth through cash out refinances and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, you have to have a big chunk of money to put into a property to actually get a tenant that's going to continue to pay so you can boost your cash flow. With software, the investment is so small, up front, and you can generate kind of outsized return cash flow wise. So I'm up to about $2,800 per month in passive income from software assets that I actually didn't even create. I just became a partner in those software and have been creating my own business around that. So it started as a little side hustle, and I took it full time in September, and I'm just kind of slowly growing it from there. So if you are interested in something like that, where you want an asset that can generate cash flow for you, and it'll be passive once you get someone signed up and they're a user of that software, it becomes kind of a part of their business and they are going to want to continue using that. So basically the coaching program is going to be $997. That's going to get you 25 reseller accounts on Genius Messenger CRM, which I'll cover in a little bit here. And basically that also covers 6 weeks of training. So over the first 6 weeks of the year, we'll meet Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm going to tell you what to do, help you create funnels, do your fulfillment, set up your automation to where as soon as someone signs up, everything is done for you. It'll automatically create their account, automatically send their onboarding email. We can create some training assets for you so you can actually go and get more users and all that stuff like that. So that will cover you all through 2021. The $997, you'll have those 25 accounts, and there will be a renewal option. It's going to be pretty affordable, probably like $50 a month if you want to continue after that. I'm also going to throw in my happy birthday Chrome extension So this is a great software to kind of pair with Genius Messenger CRM. So you'll be able to also sell this. You'll have unlimited accounts on Happy Birthday to resell. You can use this as a lead magnet to actually get people to sign up for Genius Messenger as well. So you can give away this Chrome extension for free. Tell them, hey, if you like this, you should check out Genius Messenger CRM. It's an amazing platform. It really helps anyone who's doing selling on Facebook. So we have currently 700 users. So you'll have 25 accounts, and you can get more if you fill those up. But with those 25 accounts, say you're selling an account for $47. So $47 every month, that's going to be coming in. If you sell all 25 accounts, that's going to be over $1,000 per month of passive income you're earning from a one-time investment of $997. And then, of course, you're going to pay the $50, right, to continue after 2021 if you're successfully selling 25 accounts and making over $1,000 per month. And then at that point, you can also buy additional accounts and increase that revenue further. So I wanted to put this out there. If you are struggling and need some kind of one-on-one coaching, or there might be a few of us, but more hands-on coaching to get your funnels, your automation, all the integrations and all that set up, this might be for you. Or if you're just interested in another revenue stream that you can benefit from in 2021, you can jump in now. This is going to be through just the end of the year here. So we have until 12/31 at midnight. You can jump into this coaching offer. If you have any questions about it, feel free to drop them in the comments. Otherwise, shoot me a private message. That's cool too. Well, I'd love to work with you. I think this would be a cool little project to do to start off the year. And if you guys are interested, let me know. With that being said, you guys have a fantastic week. Let's kick 2021 in the teeth. We're not having a repeat of 2020. We're just going to go to the fullest in 2021. Excited to keep building and creating for you guys. And hope you guys have an awesome New Year's.